innocence of being a child. You can even feel your feet planting on the ground as you make it to the bottom. And with this beautiful moment in your childhood, allow yourself to sink into the deepest level of relaxation that is comfortable for you. And I will read some affirmations. And each one of these affirmations will go deep into your subconscious mind. They will hold as your truth. I truly love myself for who I am. I accept my body and acknowledge how beautiful I am. I create my own future, and I drive my mind to make good choices. I release any unhelpful patterns and old behaviors around food. I allow myself to make choices and decisions that support my highest good. I am excited for a healthy future. I let go of any guilt that I hold around food choices. I accept the body shape that I've been blessed with. I let go of any relationships that no longer support my highest good. I acknowledge my own greatness, and I believe in myself. I enjoy being me. I accept myself for who I am. I bring an abundance of love into my heart. I am patient in my weight loss journey, taking one step at a time. I am grateful for my body and all that it does for me. I am determined to take care of my body for the rest of my life. Good. Let yourself gently float back to the present moment. I will count up from 1 to 5 to guide you along. 1. Breathing in that fresh energy. 2. Coming back to your current surroundings. 3. Bringing back all the wisdom you have learned today. 4. Feeling refreshed. And 5. Back to the present moment, fully alert and fully aware, ready to take on your weight loss journey with ease. You may open your eyes.